Welcome to our tutorial on how to find your chats in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to accomplish this. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Step 2. At the top left corner of your Gmail interface, locate and click on the main menu icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, find and click on More. This will expand additional options. Step 4. Among the options, locate and click on Chats. This will open a new tab displaying all your chat conversations. By finding your chats in Gmail, you can easily access and manage your conversations in one place. This feature allows you to stay organized and keep track of important discussions. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Enjoy a seamless chat experience with Gmail on your PC.